Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Isa. Thank you so much for being here. I feel like it's been a while since I've made like an introduction to my video like this. So today's video is going to be on how you can create your own wallpapers for your MacBook. So I have the MacBook 16-inch, but today I'm going to show you the different ways I know how to make wallpapers. And honestly, these are very simple ways you can create your own wallpapers. I really quickly wanted to mention that every single wallpaper that we're gonna do today is going to be on my Pinterest. You can go follow my Pinterest and download the free wallpapers. So without further ado, let's go on and get started with today's video. Okay guys, so let's start with how to make wallpapers in your laptop. So I am here sitting in front of my MacBook. I'm going to start to screen record. So the first thing that probably most of you know, but I just want to share how I do it is going to Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest, and basically on Pinterest, look for really cute pictures. Look for really cute pictures that you like and just save them to your computer. You can download them until you find what you like. So I like this one. Download as many as you want. Look for your own aesthetic. Okay, so I have 4 pictures downloaded. I'm going to search up a 5th. Okay, so now that we have all of our pictures, we are gonna go to Canva. Probably most of you know what a Canva is by now, but if you didn't know, Canva is an awesome website where you can design literally anything you want. This is not sponsored, by the way. But yeah, I have the premium version of Canva because I do really use Canva like literally every day. So okay, so the next thing that you want to do is look for your own laptop specs for the screen, like the size of the screen. So go to create a design on Canva, go to custom size, and then put the size of your screen, which mine is this size, and then create new design. So this is going to take you to your own little page here where you can design anything you want. So now what we're gonna do is go to Finder and drag every single photo that we downloaded. The first thing that I'm gonna do is select a background color for my background. I have this little palette that I have created like brand kit for Canva. So I chose this little pink, and next let's go to elements and let's look for aesthetic, literally just aesthetic, and look for something that fits what you are looking for. Okay, so I think I like this one better. Yeah, I like this one. So I'm gonna put this on the entire page, move it to the side, and I'm going to change the colors so it fits my aesthetic. So actually what I'm going to do is copy and paste this exact thing, and I'm going to flip it over. Let's put this a little bit smaller here. I love coffee, and this one was so cute. Okay, so we have our little collage situation going on here. Okay, so this is what we have right now. I am actually going to change. Okay, I'm gonna put a text now, and this text will have a little quote. Let's go to Pinterest again. Look for, I liked this one. Be the energy you want to attract. I have a ton of fonts here that I have downloaded. I think I like this one. What I'm gonna do is delete that photo and put this over here, because if not, it's not gonna fit. And that's what we have for now. So I want to make a little space on the other side to put all of my folders. So if you have folders, you can do this as well. Let's look for a shape or something that you like. Okay, I found something that I like. So I like this. We can actually put this the entire page and we can change the colors. I'm gonna leave that as it is, and on the bottom we still have a little spot left. Okay, so this is from Pinterest as well. Oh my god, I love these. I think we got it. This is it. Okay, so we have a lot going on here, but I really actually love how this turned out. So now we can download that. I download things as a JPEG and then put the quality to the max and then download it. And now what I like to do to fit even more my aesthetic is actually put a preset on this wallpaper. Okay, so now we are on my phone and we have this, and now I'm going to export that to Lightroom because I have all of my presets there, and I actually have, oh that's me, I actually have a new preset that I'm using for all of my Instagram photos and my thumbnails, and it's kind of like a very like white but cream but like green and I don't know how to explain it, but so yeah, I'm going to go to presets, look for my preset, put the exposure a little bit down, and there we go. Now I export that to my camera roll, go to AirDrop and AirDrop this to my laptop. Okay guys, so this is the final look. So actually I have a ton of wallpapers already on my Pinterest that I made on my iPad. So yeah, let's go ahead and switch to my iPad. Okay guys, so here I have my iPad Pro, and what I'm going to use is Procreate. So let's go ahead and go to Procreate. We're going to go to the plus sign right here, make new canvas, and use the same exact pixel specs that we used on Canva. So I already have these on here. Go to my new canvas, and what the first thing that I like to do is go to the background color, select a color that I want to have on the background, and then I'm going to start my wallpaper. So the wallpapers that I make on Procreate are very different from the ones that I make on Canva because they're more simple. Basically what I'm going to do is a new layer and choose a color that I want. So the brush that I like to use is Studio Pen, so that's what I'm going to use. And I had an idea to put a really cute design on the bottom of the wallpaper, so all of the dock apps can go in there. So literally I just made a curvy line, and I'm going to leave this as it is because here, as I said, are going to go like the dock apps. Okay, so on the second layer, so I'm going to put some cute shapes for every single folder that I have. I wanted to share some brushes that I purchased from Etsy. So all of my abstract doodles are from this girl, AC Digital Designs. This comes with 30 different abstract doodles and it's only $2, which I think is so crazy. And I also purchased a while ago some brushes to like for lettering and something and things like that, and these were a little bit more expensive. These were $14. So yeah, I wanted to share that because I am going to use some of the shapes that I purchased. So let's go to the shapes. Look at all of these shapes, they're so cute, and I'm going to look for a shape that I want. So I think I'm going to go with the normal circle. So now I'm going to put them in order. So now that we're done, I'm going to resize them and put them in the corner like this. So actually I'm going to make another layer to put something. Okay, so I did like a little retro design here. Okay, so that is better. Now we're gonna go to the other side. So on the other side, I wanted to let's put like the month and then a quote. So for this, I'm going to add a text. Let's make a little box to put this quote in. And then I'm going to put the month. Okay, so for the finishing touches, I downloaded some PNG stars, aesthetic stars. So I'm going to insert them. So I think we are done with our wallpaper. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had to switch to my phone because my camera died. But yeah, I hope you got some new inspiration on how to create your own wallpapers. It is very, very simple, and remember that every single wallpaper that we did and also all of the others that I showed you are going to be on my Pinterest. Also, if you download some, please let me know, tag me or something on Instagram so I can see them. And yeah, I would be so happy to see them. And I hope you have a great week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!